is not. Every time I try to have sex with you, you never want to have sex with me. What happened?
Because I need more than what you're doing, honey.
Yo, I take it shopping, I buy you new shoes, I buy you new clothes
Guys
every
do
week.
all that for me, but I know you only want one thing from me, right?
Nah, I just want to be with you.
I hear that a lot. I need something more pronounced than that. I need something else. What can you offer?
Don't worry, I got you. Just now. Backside. We got you just now. Don't worry yourself. I know you want a long time. Come on.
Oh my god!
I'm telling you, I got you.
Oh my god!
I got you, man. I got you. Got you. That could do all though? That's it?
Well, honey, I have to tell you something.
What you gotta tell me now? You could tell me anything. Tell me.
Each time I tell guys about this, they ended up leaving me. You have to.
Yeah, I'm not leaving. I wouldn't engage you if I was gonna leave you. What happened?
You sure?
I got you. What happened? I was born as a man. What?